Financial system. A financial system is a system that allows transfer of money between savers and borrowers. We can also say that it is a system that facilitates the movement of funds among people in an economy. The economic growth of a nation depends upon the existence of a well-defined and well-developed financial system. Financial systems create financial inputs that are made available in the form of capital, cash, and credit. The ease availability of financial input promotes to the growth process through proper coordination of human resources and material inputs. So we can say that the efficiency of a financial system is determined on the basis of flow of fund in the economy and channelization of this fund into productive activity for the development of nation. The financial system is a broader term which include financial market, financial institutions, financial instruments, and financial intermediaries. We can also say a financial system is an institutional arrangement through which financial surplus in the economy are mobilized from surplus units and transferred to the deficit units. We can understand this better by looking into the picture. Financial system is classified into four as financial institution, financial market, financial instruments, and financial services. Financial institutions contain banking institutions and non-banking institutions. Banking institutions are further divided as commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional bank, and foreign banks. Next, we take the case of financial market. Financial market is classified into two as unorganized and organized. Organized financial market consists of capital market and money market. Next classification under financial system is financial instruments. Then comes financial services. Financial services are classified into two as fund-based service and fee-based services. It is one of the component of financial system. Financial markets are the center that facilitate buying and selling of financial instruments, claims, or services. So we can say financial market refers to a marketplace where buyers and sellers participate in trade. It is a platform to buy and sell financial instruments. A financial market deals with financial instruments of different types such as currency deposit, check, bill, bonds, etc. The corporations, financial institutions, individual and government trade in financial products in these markets. Trade is done either directly or through brokers and dealers in organized stock exchange or off exchanges. The main participants of financial market are financial institutions, agents, brokers, dealers, borrowers, lenders, and others who are interconnected by law, contract, and communication network. Now we can discuss the 6 basic functions of financial market. First one is borrowing and lending. Financial market permit the transfer of fund from one agent to another for either investment or consumption purpose. That is, the financial market allows the agents to transfer fund in the form of borrowing or lending. Next one is price determination. Financial market provide means by which price are determined for both newly issued financial instruments and the existing stock of financial assets. Third one is risk sharing. Financial market allow a transfer of risk from those who undertake investment to those who provide fund for those investment. Next is liquidity. Financial market provide the holder of financial instruments an opportunity to resell or liquidate their instruments. So financial market provides liquidity. Next one is efficiency. Financial market reduce transaction cost and information cost, thus by increasing its efficiency. Then the last one is information aggregation and coordination. Financial market act as collectors and aggregators of information about financial asset values and flow of fund from lenders to borrowers. So 6 basic Functions of financial market are borrowing and lending, risk sharing, price determination, liquidity, efficiency, and information aggregation and coordination. So next we can discuss the types of financial market. Financial market can be classified into 5 as money market, capital market, financial guarantee market, financial mortgage market, and foreign exchange market. Now we can go through each one of them. So first we can learn what is money market. Money market is a market for short-term funds. That is the fund which are available normally up to 1 year. Okay. So it means money market deals with short-term borrowing and lending of fund. It also means that money market instruments are more liquid and quickly marketable instruments. That is, we can buy and sell the money market instruments in a short term. It is very liquid and quickly marketable. So examples of money market instruments are short-term government securities, treasury bills, etc. Next is capital market. Capital market deals with long-term securities. That is, capital market trade long-term securities. That is, securities which are traded for more than 1 year. It includes both debt and equity. Companies and governments can raise long-term funds. Okay, so capital market can be divided into 2. That is, primary market and secondary market. Primary market is basically for the new issue of shares, and secondary is for reissue of these shares in the stock market. Okay, so examples of capital markets are stocks and bonds. Financial mortgage market is a market through which mortgage loans are granted to individual customers. These loans are granted against the immovable property like real estate. The transferor called mortgager and transferee is called mortgagee. To get loans, the mortgager transfers his right in the property to the mortgagee as a security for obtaining loans. If mortgaged asset is further mortgaged, it is known as second charge. The main participant in this type of market is Housing Development Corporation, Housing Development Financial Corporation, National Housing Bank, life insurance corporations, etc. Financial guarantee market. It is an independent market and is a financial service market. It is a center where finance is provided against the guarantee of a reputed person in the financial circle. Here, before providing loan, the lender will demand the borrower to find a guarantor who assures the repayment of the debt to the creditor. It is so that the principal debtor, if so, makes default in payment, the amount can be recovered from the guarantor. So, the guarantee acts as a security from the creditor's point of view. Financial guarantee can be classified as 3, as personal guarantee, government guarantee, and institutional guarantee. Personal guarantee is a guarantee given by an individual to obtain loans from cooperative banks. Government guarantee is that when central and state government provide guarantees for public sector enterprises to obtain finance from financial institutions. Third one is institutional guarantee. It is a guarantee provided by institutions like LIC, statutory financial institution, specialized financial institutions like Credit Guarantee Corporation, etc. Foreign exchange market is a market where foreign exchange transactions takes place. That is, it is an arrangement for sale and purchase of foreign currencies. So in this video, we have discussed what is meant by financial system. Then we studied financial market, its main functions, and finally we studied types of financial markets. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and keep watching Let's Learn, and also provide your precious feedback under the comment section. Thank you.